So this is long overdue. I should have done this a couple weeks ago. Both of my key fobs are acting up, man. At a certain distance, it doesn't work. Like you can see this one right now, I'm pushing it, and it doesn't do anything. The battery's pretty much dead in this. I think they only last about 2 years, which is crazy. This is the key fob that actually still works. So this one still works now, but when I park my car in my driveway and I walk into the house, it doesn't reach the car anymore. So this one's starting to die a little bit too. So I just want to do a quick video on how to change the batteries on these, because I know there's some people who don't know how to do it. I mean, and there's a lot of people that probably do know how to do it, but so these are the batteries you need. They are the CR2032 batteries. That's the model number. Do not go anywhere else other than Walmart, because every other place charges ridiculous amount of money for these batteries, and it's really not that serious. These two batteries were, I think, $6. Anywhere else you go, they charge $6, $7 for one. Or the 2 packs were like $12. So got these from Walmart. They were like $6 for 2 batteries. Obviously, 2 batteries, you replace both of your key fobs if you got 2 key fobs. And this is all you need right here, man. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to pop this open and pop these new batteries in, and you'll see that both key fobs work. So let's get started. All right, so hopefully you can see that right there. So a lot of people see this little piece right here. This actually comes out. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, if it's getting blurry, hold on one second. There you go. So this part right here comes out where this little metal part is. So if you push this tab and pull this key out, there you go. This will help you get this unloosed. So you got 2 slots. You got one where the actual key goes back into here, and then you got another slot right here. So if you put the key in there and you twist, it should get the key fob loose. There you go. 1 second. There you go. Boom. Comes apart. Pull it apart. You got 2 pieces. You got one end with the actual chip in it, and you got one side with just the battery. We want to replace this side. I don't know if you heard the people at the go-kart place screaming. Alright, so there's a new battery. We're gonna pop that one in, and it has to go with the numbers facing down. So it's easy. You just pop this one out. Let me get that little key. Easy, you just pop this one out. That's it. And then you put the face down with the numbers. So here's the side with the numbers. You want to put that one facing down in there. That's simple, easy, done. You just pop the top back on, snap it together, and look, there you go. Obviously it works. Yep, they both work. Now it should be real easy for the second one. Then we'll just test both of them, make sure they work. Here's one. Change out the battery. It's the dead one. Just pop that new one in again. Just like so. You just pop the top piece back on, snap it together. Should be good to go. All right, now that one works. So we're both good. We got 2 key fobs. All right, so now let's see. This one should be working just fine now. I'm sorry about that. There we go. So this one should be working just fine. Yup, works. Check this one. There we go. We got 2 working key fobs, man. So for those who don't know, this little key thing here is actually pretty useful. It's usually, I know it goes in the door handle if you can't find your key fobs, but that's another good use for it too, to pop open the actual key tray. So to put that back in there, just slide it into the bottom. Bam, just like that. That's it. And we all set. Do a video because some people may not know how to do that. Some people may not know what kind of batteries go in them. So there you go. It's the CR20. Get this cleared up. Come on, there we go. Focus. CR2032 is what this battery is for. CR2032. So again, the cheapest place I found them to be was at Walmart. You could probably get them dirt cheap somewhere else, but locally, that's probably the easiest place to get them. Walmart. I fixed both of my key fobs. They work fine now. So if you're having issues with your key fobs, they probably need new batteries. These batteries tend to last about 2 years. I remember that's how long I've had them in, both about 2 years, and they stopped working. I have changed them. I have this car for 5 years now. This is the second time I've changed the batteries. So 2 years is about the time frame. So we should be good to go now. Shouldn't have to replace them again because hopefully I don't have this car in 2 years, which is the goal. But other than that, we are all set, man. Hopefully I have a good rest of your day. Like the video, and let me know if this fixed your key fob problem, because I know that's what mine was doing. And it should work from a farther distance now too with a fresh battery. So that's all I got for y'all today, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace. I'm out, baby.